boy. And y'all see where we at. Mighty Muffler and Brakes, man. Got the Corvette here, man. That's Kenny Ken's Corvette. Look like a completely different car. The cold crank. Out with the old mufflers. How it sound, man?
Sounds good, man. Muffler's gone. Right up over the axle.
Let's do the cold crank, man. Let's do the cold crank. If you got an LS engine and you want to add some more power to it, you want to make it have that aggressive sound, today, YouTube, we're going to be doing a muffler delete on a 2005 Corvette. And I want to share with y'all today what kind of power difference and what kind of sound difference it's going to make. You got to hear it for yourself. So make sure you watch this video all the way through. But before we do that, I want to ask you a question. How would you like to know how to do an LS swap in an old school car that run like this? I'm satisfied, YouTube. 72 convertible Impala LS3 swap. Looking at maybe almost 600 horsepower. Get our own wiring. And we show y'all how to do the wiring, YouTube. Step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. LS swap, baby. Both donks in the garage now, man. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Y'all ready? Let's get it, YouTube. What it do? Finna get ready to head up here and take my man Kenny Ken up here to pick his Corvette up. He just got the, tell him what you did, Kenny.
Yeah, took it up to the muffler shop.
Hold on, man, that thing, oh, that beeping. Ain't nobody got their seatbelt on. Always wear your seatbelt. Don't never drive in a car without your seatbelt. But yeah, tell him what you got did to the Corvette, Kenny Ken.
Yeah, just took it up to the muffler shop. Been doing muffler delete, try to get a little bit of sound going on. You know, it's quiet right now. It's all quiet, but get a little rumble.
Hey, y'all know what time it is, man. Soon we get to the muffler shop, we gonna cut y'all back on. Be back in a minute, YouTube. All right, y'all. Once again, man, y'all see where we at. Mighty Muffler and Brakes, man. Got the Corvette here, man. That's Kenny Ken's Corvette. Look like a completely different car. Hey, what's say? Get a shot. Y'all see it?
Muffler's gone. Right up over the axle.
Yep, that's it. Alright, YouTube.
Alright, wait.
Right here, nice. Alright, this you? Woo. Oh man, look at it, man. Look at it, YouTube. Look at it. Wait. I don't see it, bro. Man. Look at it, man. job, man. What year?
69.
69, man. Where'd you find it at, bro?
I found it from him.
Oh, wow, man. Amazing car. All right, YouTube. Man, let's do the cold crank. Let's see what it do. The cold crank. How it sound, man?
Sounds good, man.
Here it go. This who did the work right here, y'all. Y'all see where we at? Once again, man, at Mighty Muffler and Brakes in Lawrenceville, Georgia, y'all. All right, let's get it, man. Let's get it.
It's crazy loud.
Oh, yeah.
Especially on red.
Oh, man. Here you go, YouTube. Cold crank. Listen at it, YouTube. Hey, he like that. Yes, sir. Go tap the gas, kid. Want me to mash the gas, man? All right, y'all, look, we finna mash the gas. We gonna keep our eyes on Kenny, though, while we mash the gas. Hey, man. Hey, you in the game, baby. Yes, sir, boy. Huh? Uh-oh. Hey, you better slow down now. Look at it, boy. He sounded good. Hit it one more time, Kenny. Man, look here. Are you satisfied with the way it sounds?
Absolutely, 100%.
100%. Y'all heard of YouTube? All right, YouTube. We at Mighty Muffler. Once again, man, in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Hey, y'all holler at him. YouTube.